When you see lightning in the sky, you can actually tell how far it is from you by counting the number of seconds between seeing the flash and hearing the thunder. Simply multiply the number of seconds by 340 and you will know the distance in meters or 1 mile for every 5 seconds. It is based on the fact that you see the lightning instantly as it travels at the speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, but the sound travels at 340 meters per second or 1100 feet per second. And yes, if it's less than 30 seconds, you need to take shelter. The society cannot function without knowing the exact time, but we rarely realize that time is arbitrary. It is based on base 60 of ancient Babylonians, where we divide the day into 24 parts. Those 24 parts are divided into 60 parts and those 60 are divided into further 60 parts. But if we divide it into 30 parts or something, the measurement of time would be completely different. Our minds are designed to believe that time travels at same speed everywhere, but that is not true. In fact, time travels at different speeds at different parts of the universe. This fact can boggle your mind, but it is actually true. Time moves slower when you're moving very fast like speed of light or you're near an object of high gravity like black hole. So what does it mean by slower time? Now we have to invoke the theory of relativity. Suppose you're moving at a speed of 100 miles an hour. For a person sitting still outside, you're moving at a speed of 100 miles. But for a person sitting next to you, you're stationary. Your speed depends on the point of reference and it can be different for different people. Now replace the speed with time. If someone is on a spaceship near a black hole, the time is moving slowly for them. They might have experienced just 1 hour, but for someone on Earth, it could mean several years. Our minds perceive it to be unreal because we believe that time is constant everywhere, but it is not. And here is where things get interesting. Anything that moves at speed of light, time freezes for them. Time doesn't exist for a photon, at least for someone not moving at speed of light. So let's get back to the question, what if time stopped for 5 seconds? Well, it depends on for whom. If it stopped for entire universe, you wouldn't notice. In fact, the moment you saw this video and clicked on it, the universe could have been paused for millions or billions of years and you wouldn't even notice. Time is another dimension like length, width and height or XYZ axis. If there is a multidimensional being capable of seeing more dimensions, it can see all points in time at the same time. Like you take out the film reel and see all frames, past, present and future simultaneously. So there is another way. Suppose you can travel at the speed of light, then you can kind of freeze time for 5 seconds or even more. Though it will be hard to see things, because to see things, light has to enter in your eyes, which at that point is more or less stationary. So what will happen in 5 seconds? Well, it depends where you are. It can be either nothing or everything. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, like, comment and share. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring until you know everything.